I knew I was missing something on my piece. I popped the wrong piece off.
Y'all look. That's
Everybody's nookie.
That's what it is. That's what it is. 10 out of 10.
Everybody's good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 20.
Yes. That's what I said. 100 out of 100, 50 out of 50, 40 out of 40. Man, when I tell you that thing now. What it is, huh? Finger licking.
Bon appetit.
She need to stop playing, man. She plays so much. Let me see. Turn around, Mika. She played. No, yeah. Turn around. She need to stop playing and cook, bro.
Hold on. I'll turn around. Hold on. That water scared you? Hold on.
No, just sell it one time. Just sell it one time. No. God dang. You need to stop playing and open up your restaurant, man.
Come on, Lily. Then you throw it out. No, you supposed to lay the bucket down, then you work it up. You don't throw it out. Thank you.
I ain't gonna touch it,
Thank you. Lucas.
Hey, high taste. God, y'all ain't said nothing.
He getting big gumps too, look.
God dang.
Look, his mouth ain't even clear.
That's what it is. But give me my stuff. Golly.
I don't want no more.
Have we ever fed strippers?
Oh, shit.
Not the cup.
Scribbles. Y'all look at them scribbles. There they go. Right there. Watch it. Boom.
What strippers is?
There they go. The birds. Right there. Move, Worthy.
We'll give him some.
There they go. There go them scribbles. Uh-oh.
They want that food. That's why they coming up. So I see little pieces right there. Who just threw that out there?
I'm trying to watch.
Look, don't get on the net part.
Oh, it's right here. Oh. That's a fucking shark. That's a dolphin. Where? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Nah, he running for something for sure. I was right there. Oh, he right there. What the fuck? Yeah, everybody out there, man. Yeah, you just need a dolphin to bring the community together? You need a dolphin to bring the community together?
All the Mexican, Puerto Rican people.
What's right there?
I don't care, come on. Don't matter. Don't underestimate it when it came.
Okay.
Oh, I see the man now. I ain't seen this time to smoke.
That's what I was talking about. They were listening to music.
I didn't see it.
My phone!
Baptized, Willie. That's how you. Now you say you gonna do my face. When she start talking that shit, that's how you get her.
After you get ready, make it close your eyes.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it in your face?
No, not in my face. Hell no.
Oh, I'm finna say,
You
when
put
you
the
be
water
spraying the
up.
stuff in the face?
Nah. If this shit out my ass, you can put shit going to my face.
Wait. These can see sometimes.
Shit going to my face, on my lip.
Hold on.
You got it? Oh, she got your ass on it. Oh,
I ain't gonna get you.
oh.
That water feels so good.
It do feel good. When it hit you, it feel good.
Cause it's hot as hell.
You sharp? Somebody gonna sit on it and it's gonna get broke. Oh, he got on it. Look at me. I'm ready. You ain't gonna get me off guard. You finna get me off guard. I'm ready. Fuck that. She got you twin. She got you.
I hope your phone ain't in your shirt. He's not getting there. He's trying to get his stomach. He's getting his stomach first, mama. He's getting his stomach first, mama.
Get your grandma.
Don't play about his mama, boy.
Oh. Hey, get him. Hey, I see kids sneaking to that cooler.
My boy went to that cooler and got one for his mama, boy. He said, bought that. Look.
Hey, he brought that bitch. He brought that bitch. Oh, she got you, baby. Wipe your face. Wipe your face. She got you.
I'm trying to get the dirt off his face.
Yeah.
Okay, don't show her that grandma now.
Come on. You was embarrassed.
What you said, Nicole? What you said, Stone Cold said?
Cause Stone Cold motherfucker said so. Hell yeah!
Oh, she got you. She got you. She got you. She got you. Hey, but I thought y'all saying y'all.
Oh, you got her.
Nah, nigga. That's for his face.
Right, Mark, that's
Right, no, right, don't get no cold.
para que la cara no te I ain't never scared.
Whoa!
They trying to creep too. Do. Oh, no, they trying to go each way.
Baby, back up!
Shit, he got his brother.
Hey! Back up!
Come on.
Y'all need to go fill the water, so y'all wasting water. Bro.
They double teaming. Jasmine, no.
They got Ryan ass.
You done dropped all your crackers.
Uh-oh, not a bird.
I get what you want me to. Just thought.
He's so big. That's why he's so
His
big.
mouth open wide, boy. Why he's so big?
Come on, chomp. Yeah, that one, chomp. Yeah, him here. You gonna drop it. You gotta wrap your other little finger.
Not you teaching her.
You gotta wrap your other little finger.
Look, baby.
Now,
Put
see,
your
grab
whole
it. He'll
hand
grab
on
it
it.
himself.
Put your whole hand on
You just gotta hold it at the bottom. He'll grab it himself.
Hold on, Dick. Baptize one more time.
One more time.
Baptize one more time.
She gonna get y'all about her baby. She just said that, her baby.
Oh, he cleared it for you, baby.
I told her to go back to her.
Bro, talk about what? Nobody here. Talk to you, the royalty. Come here, royalty. Oh, Jameer. Everybody left. Your ass took forever. I'm fucking waiting on you, bro. Like, you've been going all fucking day long. Let me talk to y'all about y'all daddy. Oh. Hey. Oh, let's talk about him. Let's talk about his weekends. Let's talk about his weekends. Hey, weekends. Do the weekends daddy dance. Weekends. Do the weekends daddy dance. Hey. Do the weekends daddy dance. Hey. Do the weekends daddy dance.